Have you ever wondered how to wholesale a property? Well, today is your lucky day. We're about to demystify the process, breaking it down into easy-to-understand steps. To kick things off, it's essential to understand what property wholesaling is. It's a swift process where a real estate investor enters into a contract with a seller, then assigns that contract to a buyer, making a profit from the assignment fee. It's a strategy that allows you to make money without having to physically own the property. First, you need to find a property. The most successful wholesalers often find distressed properties or motivated sellers who are looking to sell quickly. This could be due to a variety of reasons such as financial hardship, inheritance, or a property that needs too much work for the owner to handle. Next, you establish the property's value. This can be done by comparing similar properties in the same area that have recently sold. This is often called a comparative market analysis or CMA. Once you have established the value, you negotiate with the seller to purchase the property below its market value. This is where your negotiation skills come into play. The lower the price, the better the potential for profit. After successfully negotiating the purchase price, you enter into a contract with the seller. This contract should have an assignment clause allowing you to transfer the contract to a potential buyer. Now it's time to find a buyer. This could be a real estate investor or anyone interested in buying the property. You assign the contract to them, charging an assignment fee. This fee is where you make your profit. Lastly, the buyer closes on the property with the original seller. You walk away with the assignment fee and the buyer now owns the property. In summary, property wholesaling is a quick way to make a profit in real estate without having to own a property. You find a property, establish its value, negotiate a lower purchase price, enter into a contract, find a buyer, assign the contract for a fee, and then the buyer closes on the property. Remember, property wholesaling requires strong negotiation skills and a solid understanding of property values. It's not for everyone, but for those who can master it, it can be a profitable venture. So why not give it a try? You might just find it's the perfect fit for you.